I am extremely excited today because I got some beautiful hair to show you. Yeah, so if you're interested, please keep watching.
Someone is worried here. This beautiful hair I got from Ondibu. Yes, Ondibu. This is not just any other kinky curly hair. This is Ondibu's hair.
Hi everyone, what's up, boo-boos?
It's your girl Benedicta. As you can see, I'm doing extremely well. I'm doing voiceover right now because you're not allowing me to talk. Today's video, I'm going to show you the hair I got from Ondibu, kinky curly weft hair in 24 inches. Long story short, I ordered one bundle of kinky curly human hair from her website. Few days later, she was having a big sale. I was like, oh my god, I could have waited for some few more days. You feel me? The sale was going on. I went back again to her website to order 2 more bundles. I was about to order 2 more bundles from her website, and guess what? I received the most happily ever after email from the queen of raw hair, Ondibu. Yes, Ondibu. You needed to be here to see the way I was happy, jumping, singing. In fact, I was extremely happy. It's obvious you cannot use 1 bundle for a full sewing. You need 2 to 3 bundles. I want to take a few moments to say thank you, Ondibu, once again for sending me an additional 2 bundles of your luxury beautiful kinky curly hair. Thank you so much, Ondibu. So guys, if you want to see the unboxing process plus the hair review, keep watching.
What you want? With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm.
If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Stay tuned for the next video about this beautiful luxury kinky curly hair. I love you guys.